Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, an old man in the land of the grills, from the floor to the ceiling and even on the shelves. Yes, we are in the land of the grills, folks. Ever since we did the mod to the Char-Griller, putting the 2 temp probes on there, I've been dying to do a low and slow on there. And I had all different plans today. I was at a grocery store this morning, and they had a 4-pound pork roast, which is actually just a pork butt that's been cut, bone in, and it was just sitting there all by itself. And it was kind of split, and that's probably why nobody bought it. So I said, you know what, we can show a little love to this pork butt. Let's put her on the grill. I'll take a look at that pork butt, but I'm dying to see how these temp probes are going to coordinate with that controller over there and see how the temps really are at lid level. Remember, that's not where the probe is. The probe is over there in that corner, but pretty similar in height. These are just a tad bit higher, but this one's closer to the fire, and this one's right in the middle, kind of sort of. So I'll tell you what, we're gonna get her fired up. Why don't you go take a look at the pork butt? I'll get this fired up. All right, there's our pork butt. We're selling this at the store as a pork roast. It's not a whole butt. It's 4 pounds of it. The bone is still in. It was coming apart. So I did tie it back together with some butcher's twine. Wondering what I'm using? Boar's Night Out from White and Lightning, folks. And then here's the bomb right here. Farm 407 Roadhouse. That pepper that's in this stuff is awesome. And that's gonna be excellent on this pork butt. Let's get her on the grill. All right, got our charcoal in. I got 2 chunks, and I'm gonna cover that with some B&B. Remember, I love the B&B. If you're curious, B&B, what's B&B? B&B is, well, it's just better burning charcoal, hotter, longer, cleaner. This stuff is competition oak, really, really nice. Oh, and you're asking about the ash pan. Yeah, I'm gonna put a piece of mesquite in there too. Don't go crazy on that because that gets too hot, and that could affect your flapper, folks. Just telling you. All right, fire's going. All right, quick check. Bottom door is open. Top door is open. Fan door open. Slider is out. I got the back vent already set to where I want it. This is half. You're looking at it and say, well, it doesn't look half. Remember, the vent itself is over here. So if you're looking at that, that's not true. So it's right about there. We'll take a look at that on the inside. And there you go. You can see it on the inside. And that's about half right there. All right, 225 is what we're set. 225 is what it says there. One to the left of the Char-Griller sign, 225. The one to the right is reading about 200. So we're about 20 minutes into it. And take a quick look here. Oh yeah, there's our, sorry about the sun. Keep on going here, give you a couple look-sees. All right, folks, about 2 hours into it. See, we're 225 there, 225 there. Well, shy of 225 there. This side has been running lower than this side, which I thought would have been just the opposite. All right, for all you naysayers out there, I put 2 Oklahoma Joe pucks, right side and left side, down on the grill surface. Let's take a look at those. We got some nice smoke blowing there. Ooh, that pork looks nice. What do we got there? 225? And a little bit more than 225. So we're coming around pretty nice. It's just kind of opposite down there, although that side is very consistent with what it says there, what it says there, and what it says on the inside. On this side, it's reading a little less at the lid and a little bit more down on the grill grate, which is what I was expecting. So we'll keep on going here, folks. The whole thing is to cook some pork. I think we've talked about enough about the temp issues. What I have learned on this controller is that they have an algorithm in there because the temp probe is right here on this side. So they have an algorithm built into this that predicts the temperature in the center of the grill. So when you fire this thing up, and like this morning, it was 83 out here, and this thing said it was like 121. That was already anticipating temperatures in there. And I think between the lids, the lid temps, and the pucks on the inside, it confirms that is doing its job. So nice job by Char-Griller. I wish they would have done a better job of explaining this. We've had to go to a lot of people and get a lot of explanations, but I think that kind of proves what that is doing. Keep on watching, folks. So we're gonna have some delicious pulled pork today. All right, folks, bump the temp to 300 because I'm getting hungry. I wanna get that internal on the pork up to about 150, 155 before I wrap it. There's our, you can see, I made this mention before to a couple other people, that it seems like the higher up you go with the temperature on this grill, the more it evens itself out. And you can see both the lid temps are reading right around that 300 mark. So once again, it's pretty much an agreement with what we're seeing right there. All right, let's take a look at our pork before we pull it. Oh, looking pretty good there. Our both our pucks here, this one's reading 300. This one's reading closer to 325. Just take a quick look here. Go through the thicker part. Yep, she's ready to wrap. So we're gonna wrap it with some taters, put her back on, and you won't see this until we take it off the grill. It's been resting, and we're ready to pull. All right, just let things rest here for about almost an hour. But here's our bone. Comes right out. Oh man, I'll tell you what. Look at a smoke ring on that. Let's see if it pulls. Oh yeah, she pulls. Pulls real nice. Look at that smoke ring. Look at that. That is nice. That is a nice smoke ring right there. Oh man, it's still hot. Well, folks, pork turned out great. Real reason was to check out the temps on the Char-Griller 980 gravity. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. Thumbs up, and as always, can't say that enough. Thanks for watching.